White on white. You like that, eh, Asa? Found some organic yogurt, half price. You're not going to believe this. You know what he was eating just a few minutes ago? Pizza. He's crazy. Pizza buns. Watch this. Asa, do you want some pizza with that? Oh, you like the yogurt better, do you? Here, try this. Asa. Well, I guess I know his favorite now. Try this stuff here. No. Should have grabbed the camera a few minutes ago. Okay? Mogi, would you eat pizza? Asa's been really curious. He ate some bread yesterday. Mogi, try that. Oh, he likes it too. Wow, I didn't think you would. Okay, so you don't want any more of this? I'll give it to Mogi. Hey, good for you, Mogi. And I'll give you some yogurt when you're done with that, okay? Okay, the doggies had their pizza. Auntie Marilyn dropped by while I was gone. She left a bag with pizza buns in it. You're still going for it, Asavi. Don't eat too much of it. It's going to turn you white. Okay, you're done? Okay. Oh, Mogi's still plowing. You can try this too. No, you really like the pizza, huh? That's good. Oh. There isn't any more, Bumby. You had some buns in the morning too. Chunky Bumby. Okay, that's it.